bonding tayo.
Family bonding.
Para kompleto.
Para kompleto. Stop over. Breakfast muna. Plus. Natulog ka? Gutom na. Sumakit yung ulo ko.
Let's go.
Para...
Okay.
Oh, yun. Araw pala. Iwan ko na sana tong bag ko eh. Re. Then, with egg. Hawakan.
Fish muffins.
And what's your order?
And sausage scrambled egg. Sino kumain ako? Pa?
Pwede mo coffee milk? One small coffee regular.
Thank you.
Regular with milk? Yeah, regular but milk instead of cream. And one small double. Yeah.
A medium double. Medium. With 2 extra sugar.
Anything else?
That's it. Egg. Yon. As in,
Yun? Yang?
yon.
Hikaw.
Hikab na. Hikab ako ng hikab. Kakagis. Kahit sa school, pagka umaga, hihikab ako mga 3 beses in 2 minutes.
Ano lang?
They really got a really big yelling match. That's sort of
Tinan mo, tinilk mo yung ano ko. Ano na tuloy. Nakaganon.
Magpapagas muna tayo.
Alin? This size. Ito. $30 ka. Yan. Oh, sa ito yung mga strawberries. Try ko. Wala pa. Ano pa lang siya? Wala na. Tapos na yung strawberry season.
Pero ayun, may mga pa yun, may pula.
Akala ko magpipicture tayo.
Hmm?
Saan dun?
May pula.
Ito na. Pwede ko ba ito pitasin? Charot lang.
Forward ko na lang sa
Saglit. Apple din. Ayun. Nang wala.
Ito, Jonah Gold.
Pero wala namang namimitas. So,
Wala nga. Ayan,
Kasi-
Jonah Gold. Gusto mo yan, Jonah Gold?
asan?
Ito lang.
Jonah Gold.
Hmm? Hilaw?
Hilaw pa eh.
Hilaw naman.
Baka nga doon yung mga hinog na.
Baka. Apples, apples. Ito yung Jonah Gold, di ba? Na yung sasakyan.
He's so excited.
Excited as kids.
Yeah. Masyado malayo. Huwag kang sumama. Paano ka? Ang layo. I don't know, if I can do that. There you go.
Hold it unless it's on three. Hold it unless it's on three. Well, it's gonna go down with angle.
How many of you here for the first time? Why are you here?
Because of the apple.
Hey?
Like apples.
Okay, well, thank you. Today, we're picking back here. We have 2 rows of Red Delicious. This one behind it. The 3rd row behind that. There's 2 rows of Empire. You can mix them if you wish. We ask that you stay within the lines of our yellow caution tape. This is the area to be picked.
Yep.
Absolutely no smoking, vaping, or garbage on this farm. Any questions? I have one. Who knows the proper way to pick an apple? I know you all know how to pick an apple, but the proper way.
He knows. He knows.
Eye to the sky and twist
Did you hear that?
Yep.
Louder, louder, buddy.
Eye to the sky and twist it.
Oh, leave the that part out. It's just eye to the sky. That's good. So then, just to clarify that, the bottom of the apple where the blossom started is called the eye. So you're being watched all the time here. So just take that in your hand and say gently eye to the sky and it'll come off pretty easy. Okay? Presley's here. If you have any questions about anything, she'll help you out. And then I'll be back in a little bit and pick you up.
All right.
I get some of these others as well. But, if I don't, I don't. All right.
All right. Thank you. Wait lang.
Up your bag holder. Just make sure you can look at every single tree though. Okay, you don't have to come in first.
Sige.
150.
Sige, kuha na kayo.
Eye in the sky. Kaso,
Isa pa, hindi ko naman nalamag pa.
Tsura niya. Ito. Tapos,
Sige.
uy, tama na. Iba.
Sige.
Tayo sa iba.
Ayan.
Ikaw magawa.
Padala tayo sa kabila. Oh, ganito naman tayo.
Makuha. Ang gaan.
Okay, you like it, go to the market. You're also baby.
Malalaki.
That's full already.
Fast. Good one's down there.
Ba't mo na doon? Sada.
Busog na agad to.
asan na nakuha ko.
Ah, yan. Hinog na hinog to. Ito, kulubot na. Sira na to. Tira mo to, sira na, kulubot.